guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. For today's video, I have a washi tape haul for you guys. All of the washi tapes shown in this video were kindly sent to me from the Washi Tape Shop. All of the links to the washi tapes showcased in this video will be in the description, along with a discount code for you guys that you can use to get 10% off your orders. I will first be unboxing all of the washi tapes and show you guys a brief glimpse of all of them, and I will also be doing all of the swatches later on my art journal to show you all of the beautiful detailing on these, because all of them to me are individual works of art and are absolutely beautiful. The very first set that I'm swatching is called Waves of Rebun. I hope that I'm pronouncing that right, but this set comes with 3 washi tapes, a pink small one, a light blue one which I really love, and a super wide one with really beautiful detailings with gold foiling on the waves. This next set is called Lunar Deity, and it comes with 5 wider washi tapes. All of these washi tapes come with a paper backing, and the quality of each and every single one of them is just amazing. Next we have this floral minimal kind of set. It also comes with 5 washi tapes and it has little small gold detailing in places, and it is just so simple but also really intricate, and this must be one of my favorite sets from all of the washi tapes that I've received. My favorite one is definitely the one with the sunflowers with gold in the middle, but I really love all of these. And I got the name of this set wrong on my art journal, so I'm just replacing it with some black paper and I'm just writing the name of the set with a white gel pen, and I'm not going to say it out loud because I'm definitely sure I'm going to pronounce that wrong, so it's just going to be on the screen. But I really love this set of washi tapes. The next set is called In Bloom and it comes with some florals, and it also had this stamp like washi tape which comes with a butterfly, a bee and some plants, and the very last one comes with strawberries. Lastly, we have this pastel pink grid set. So those are all the washi tapes I got from the Washi Tape Shop, and I love every single one of them. The Washi Tape Shop is based in Toronto, Canada, but they provide free shipping worldwide, which is great because when I usually buy things from international websites, the shipping charge is almost the same as the amount I spend on the website. Along with that, the quality of all the washi tapes were very good and I cannot wait to shop more from them. Make sure to check the link in the description to check out the Washi Tape Shop, and you can also use the code Aasthaetics10 to get a discount on your order. You can also check the description for more details on these washi tapes, and that is it for the video. Don't forget to leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see art journaling content using these washi tapes in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye!